students, let us see the periodic third property. This is the third property and last property. We'll do more problems based on these three properties. We'll do the more problems of previous year questions. But let us see what is the third property says. Periodic function third property. Integration mt to nt fx dx can be written as n minus m integration 0 to t fx dx. This is the formula of third property. What is saying? If the integration mt nt fx dx is equal to upper minus lower n minus m integration 0 to t fx dx is the answer. How this is can be verified? By graphically you can see that a function is there, the period is t. Suppose a function is there, the period is t. That is only here given. Condition is period of the function is t. Question condition is period of the function is t. So the function period is t I am taking. So 2t, 3t, 4t, like that I am going to mt. Mt after mt, like here this can be extended like you know. This is mt. Okay, mt1. So I am going from here 1, 2, like this I am going. And I reached here till nt. I reached to nt. So I reached here till nt. So this is till nt I reached. Mt to nt. This area was talking here in the question. In this property they are talking about this area. So what is that area is said? Any function, it's a periodic means the area is repeating. Means the graph is repeating at the period, at this period. Means this area is A you suppose, then this area also A, this area also A, this area also A, all these areas are A, correct? So if this area is how much means 0 to t, this is 0 to t fx dx, this area is 0 to t integration 0 to t fx dx is this area A is 0 to t fx dx. I want to find what is the area from nt to nt. Means I want to know how many these boxes are there like this. Counting. How many it will be there? This is n, this is m. T is period. T is the period. No need to think about that. So the how many counts will be there? N minus m. So n minus m into a, n minus m into a will be the area of this, correct? N minus m into a, because this is area is a, then the area from mt to nt will be what? N minus m into a. So n minus m is here. A is what? 0 to t fx dx. That is the proof. Over. Now let us see this one. The question is JEE 2002. They asked the JEE 2002. You have to find integration of 0 pi to 10 pi mod sin x dx. This is a mod sin x graph only, right? This is a mod sin x graph itself. So pi to n pi is there. What we can write here by using this property? What we can write here? This is we can write as integration. What I can write? Upper 10 pi minus pi. We can write as 10 pi minus pi. Integration 0 to, what is integration of sin x? Period of mod sin x. Period of mod sin x is pi. Period of this one is, you should know the period. Already I explained about the period in the previous sections, previous function term. So what is the period of mod sin x? That is pi. Pi is the period. So I can write as what here? 10 pi minus pi, 0 to pi mod sin x dx I will get. This is what the answer. It means what? 10 pi minus pi is how much? 9 pi. 9 pi into integration 0 to pi sin x. See, this is a graph of mod sin x only. So 0 to pi means here integration of sin mod x. Graph will be like this. 0 to pi. This is 0 to pi. Already I told you sin x pi by 2 till pi by 2. This area is how many units? 1 unit. The area here 1 unit. And from here to here the area is how much? 1 unit. Totally 0 to pi the area is how much? 2 units. The area will be 2. So you can do by formula. So mod sin x is there. You can open with positive. So sin x you can take it. And you can know what is the different integration of sin x, that is minus cos x. I can apply pi and 0, so you get the same answer. So integration of this to find, no need to worry that much. Integration 0 to pi by 2. Always remember that. Integration 0 to pi by 2 sin x dx is equal to integration 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. This is always 1. So you are asking about pi. So this is 1, this is 1. 1 plus 1, 2. property 1, 2, 3, we will solve more questions. So you this topic will be finished. Then after we have Leibniz rule. I discussed this thing in the AOD, but we will discuss more here. After that we have sum of the series, and then this chapter is end. And we will do more problems after completing the chapter. 2-3 days we will do more problems which are important miscellaneous questions based on this topic. Then we will end up this chapter by the next week. We'll start the new topic vectors in the next week. Hope you understand.